Do you actually read all your emails? No? Am I right? Okay. Dear friends, most people get overwhelmed by the sheer volume. Some emails, like coupons or promotions, aren't junk but may not get opened. Others, such as receipts, can often be previewed and skipped. Over time, all those unread emails pile up. Follow these steps to mark all your emails as read in the Mail app on your iPhone or iPad. On your iPhone, open the Mail app. After the iOS 18.2 or later update, you can see this type of Mail app user interface. This gives you the ability to categorize mail options like primary, transactions, updates, and promotions. So, if you want to mark all your emails as read in a specific category, it is not possible right now. Let's look into it. I'm clicking on the primary category and then tapping on select, so the select all button is not showing. Right, for that you have to go to all mail section like this. Then tap on select and click on the select all button located on the top left side. After that, click on mark at the lower and left corner and then choose mark as read. So wait for a moment and that's it. Here, all emails appear marked as read, even in all categories. The second way is, if you are using the classic view of the Mail app, tap on select, select all, and tap on mark to choose mark as read all emails. That's very easy. So friends, this same way you can apply on your Apple iPad Air and iPad Pro and iPadOS 18.2 and later all iPads. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.